राहुल
parties
गांधी
supporting
कांग्रेस
them
गया
there.
था, सॉरी जेएनयू गया था, कांग्रेस भी जाता है, वो थाईलैंड से जब वापस आता है, जिस दिन वो जेएनयू गया था वो टुकड़े टुकड़े गैंग के बाद वो करने के लिए, उस दिन से शाहीन बाग, पूरा फार्मर ब्लॉकेड, कांग्रेस हैज बीन सपोर्टिंग एनार्की यार.
No. Congress can do anything. You are the home minister. You are in power. Your duty is
Of
to act.
course.
It is your dharma to act.
Yes, I agree.
It is your, and the day I am home
No one
minister,
has
I will
criticized
not,
Amit Shah more than
I will
I
not
have.
have the spine of a molten eclair. They were blocking a road. You should have moved them.
You should
have allowed. You should have told them go sit at Jantar Mantar, go sit at Ram Leela. Mera.
Exactly.
I'm sorry.
They actually
You
thought
cannot-
it will give them dividends.
The BJP
And the fact
actually,
that they didn't do anything actually resulted
Backfired.
in
It was
that.
It
It
backfired, as it should have. I was very happy when they lost that election
So
because
this
it was
greater
a very
good is
good.
very dangerous, Paji, very dangerous.
No, yeah, listen, here is the problem. Again, you're looking at what I've said in black and white.
See, sometimes the
वो मेरी
best.
problem में क्या करूँगा?
Sometimes
मेरी
the
problem-
best you can achieve, Anand, is preventing the worst.
what was the worst? The worst is this. With a full majority, you could do none of your promises.
The worst is Rahul Gandhi coming.
Can you give me 3 reasons that will be disastrous if Congress comes to power
हाँ.
in 2024?
Do you remember that right where
Sanju Verma says he's pro-Congress.
he is?
She called me an axle, yaar.
Sanju Verma is right. I salute Sanju Verma. She's a paragon of truth. Do you remember the bill that came out, the communal violence bill,
okay,
where
fine.
Hindus were default guilty of every riot?
Yes.
Okay. This was number
point,
one.
Point.
Okay.
Point.
Number two, I think people have forgotten exactly how corrupt UPA 1 and UPA 2 were.
What corruption?
Corruption ka
Yeah,
Okay.
corruption.
No, yeah,
Boss,
it was a
Right.
major issue.
Third was the way Kashmir had been allowed to metastasize. Today we finally see the return of normalcy coming.
What normalcy? People
You
have
go
been
back
target
there,
killing.
they will bring back a state legislature. So, I am not a big fan of this government. But I will happily, last time I did not
Fair
vote for
enough.
this government happily. This time I will actually vote for this government happily because, not because they have become particularly better, though they have actually become somewhat better because they did do 370, they did privatize Air India, all of which are big things. But the Congress has become progressively more dangerous and worse. They've been going into loony left territory.
I take your larger point.
They've entered, basically Rahul Gandhi has entered Sitaram Yechury's mind space, which is never a good thing.
I take your larger picture that Congress, when it comes to power, it keeps on doing these dangerous things and it will do more dangerous things because it becomes leftist.
Not so much because
But
of the
is it-
Congress, but because of the Congress leadership which drives it. But also look at on the foreign policy front. Okay, what will they do with China, for example? What has their policy been on China? What will they do? Will they go for will they carry through with the momentum, for example, with the US? And on the Quad.
Yes, I think they will.
absolutely.
On
One
the
second,
US, yes. They are
I-
the ones who started
Yeah,
it
I
all,
have
yeah.
very serious doubts on certain things about what they will do
Maybe
and how
not a
far they will
Rahul
go.
Gandhi, but a
they
Kharge
did- No,
Congress
but
will.
Smita, look, here is what they did. They did, and I think that nuclear deal was a fabulous opportunity for
Yeah.
them.
Yes.
And then you did it, and then you botched it by bringing in that liability law.
On top
अभी
to China.
चाइना पे देखो 100 बिलियन हमारा ट्रेड डेफिसिट है.
It will not be tougher on China. It will not be.
It will not be.
Look
So
at
I-
who will become the NSA if it is Rahul Gandhi. They will not be tougher
They will
on
be
China.
so tough
no
on China.
chance
They will-
in the leadership on
I'll come to the
China.
economics of it in a bit. On Pakistan, for example, what are the noises which the Congress party is making? And the Congress party, forget the Congress party, the supporters, the biggest supporters in the media, for example, in the so-called intelligentsia, which is the oxymoron.
Active
Look at their
diplomacy to Modi
basic
kar rahe hain,
approach
Pakistan
towards
sir.
Pakistan.
Don't do that.
Look at their basic
Yes.
approach on a range of issues. It's deeply problematic. Okay,
The foreign policy
Yeah.
side.
deeply
Yeah,
problematic.
absolutely.
Deeply
Point taken.
I
problematic.
Point
strongly
taken.
disagree.
You are right, Tehseen, in that the old Congress, they used to talk soft and act hard. Unfortunately, that is no longer the Congress we see anymore. The Rahul Congress is not the old
It's gone
Congress.
loony woke.
They have gone to a point of no return at this point, Tehseen.
Can
Congress
blame them.
has fantastic leaders who are complete security hawks, who understand security much better than this entire government does. All of them have been completely sidelined by Rahul.
This
one
conversation
second.
is going to go down in history
Well, let me give you.
as the most logical debate on why Modi should come back in 2024.
let me
I'm just
give-
remember this
I-
podcast.
no, no.
Subscribe to One India channel and never miss an update.